Hey everybody, welcome back to Big Red EDC. Well, you know what? That season is upon us. It is approaching mid-November and some promotions are starting. Black Friday, Cyber Monday. It used to be just those days, but these promotions, some of them I think started the 1st of November. But the good folks over at Oknife send us out a couple of new versions of some products that they are putting on sale for this time period. Sort of a Black Friday new promotion, new launch period, all at the same time. Now, they have sent us out one of the new versions of the AION and one of the new versions of the U1 Ultra utility knife. I think we're going to talk about the U1 first. Now, this is coming out in two new versions. Now, this promotion period runs between the 12th, November 12th, yesterday, to December 1st. And the discount is 20% off these items. Now, the U1 Ultra, they sent us out, this is the pink zombie version. They have a green zombie version that they are promoting as well. A new launch, but this is pink zombie. So we've got the pink with the blue sort of splatter, kind of like the green and red, which is also available now too. It's a button lock utility knife, open construction. You've got a single-sided pocket clip, right hand. It's a flipper utility knife. And as you can see there, now these come with ceramic blades. Both versions, ceramic blades. It actually comes with extra blade, I believe it is. Is there one or two in there? Let's see. I think it's just the one. One blade, and of course it comes with the little tool to help you change the blade. As you can see there, we've seen the U1 Ultra on the channel before. You use your little tool, you unlock it, pop this up, pop the old blade out, put the new blade in, and then tighten it back up. And I don't know, can we turn it by hand? Let's see. I guess my thumb's kind of weak. Use the tool, lock it in, be safe. But, of course, it is a button lock. It's a flipper button lock utility knife. Apparently, this has been very popular for them. Now, I know some people, when I did the first one, weren't crazy about the ceramic blades. Yeah, if you drop them, they can be brittle. And they can break, for sure, just like a ceramic knife will. But, if you're cautious, use it like it's supposed to. It should come out okay. I've never really had an issue with them breaking. So, zombie green, zombie pink. Those are the two new color patterns that are being launched during this sort of Black Friday event. Now, the zombie green, you're looking at $54.99. The zombie pink is $59.99. I guess it's a little bit more special. Your zombie green is going to be 6061 aluminum. The zombie pink is in their own OAL. So, very cool. Ceramic paint. This is ceramic paint. Very cool. Zirconium oxide ceramic blades. Let's see what else they say here. Steel clip. And, of course, they're all made in China. Now, I've had one of these. I've had one of the U1 Ultras out in the garage for if I need to chop some stuff up, zip some cardboard real quick. We just got done setting up the kids' the room. Nellie turned her craft room into an extra bedroom now, and we had plenty of cardboard from the bed and everything out the crib. And tell you what, these ceramic blades did really, really well. So, the U1 Ultra, two new versions coming out, and like I said, 20% off. The one thing they did want me to put out, they didn't send a Duron out, but starting the 20th of November and going through the 2nd of December, they're running a promotion on the Duron, and that one is 40% off. So the Duron, very, very nice knife. Now, of course, the other one, that they're launching. We have 2 new versions of this guy, the AION. You're having a black G10, which we have right here. We're taking, and they're also coming out with a green micarta. Both of them, Sandvik 14C28N. This is one of my favorite aspects. My favorite aspects of the AION is the pocket clip and how it is mounted. You can flip it around. It can be right hand. It can be left hand. Tip up carry. Love how they do the clips. Now, it's kind of interesting. This G10, it has, I don't know, there's a couple of light spots here, and I've been working with it. I don't know if it's, I guess, oh, there it is. It seems like it's coming off now. Okay. I thought it was maybe an imperfection in the, I don't know. You know, there's, let's see here. Yeah, it's just where kind of it's right over where the weight reduction is. It's just kind of odd. I've never seen that coming through on G10. And I mean, with it closed, I mean, there's not a lot of light coming through there. And it looks like, the more I rub it, it was, I don't know. That's kind of odd. Definitely a little odd. But it is where the weight reduction is. So interesting. I don't know. Anyway, black G10, green micarta. Those are the 2 new versions. Now, when you're coming out, both of them are $66.99. So no matter whether you go, the G10, the micarta, you're coming in at $66.99. So 14C28N, I love the design of this knife. Of course, it is an O-stap design. It's straightforward. You guys know me. Simple, straight lines, drop point blade. Yes, I'm boring. Okay, I get it. But it's what I like. It's what I like. And super droppy. And just to shake shut, the detent on it is very, very good. Super drop shutty. Well, super drop. Yep. And then a shake shut. We'll call it that. But as a reminder, I mean, you guys know there was the fancy version. These are what they're actually calling these, the regular version. So it's your budget version, guys. That's what it is. So you're looking at pretty much an 8-inch knife, slightly over 4.5 inch on the handle, which is going to give us just less than, as you can see there, 3.5 on the blade, just under 3.5 on the cutting edge as well. And then our grip length, it's going out to dang near 4 inches. I have plenty of room left over in my grip for this one. Definitely liked the AION when it first came out. Now these new versions, they're a little bit more budget friendly, which are awesome. You know, I'm all for pretty, you know, cool titanium, damasteel, zirconium, whatever, you know. Budget is awesome because they're going to get into a lot more people's hands at this lower price. And less than $70, I think that's a pretty decent price for these. You know, O-stap design, straightforward though. Now, as I say that, you know, O-stap has been known to put some pretty interesting, not straightforward, straight line designs. But this one, it really pops for me. So that is their new promotion, guys, from Oknife. Coming in, you've got the U1 Ultra, 2 new versions. The zombie pink, as we have in front of us, and the zombie green. And then we have the O-stap designed AION, a more budget-friendly version, coming out in G10, green micarta, 14C28N on the blade steel, and coming in at just under we'll say $67. That's between friends. What's a penny between friends? Hopefully not much. But very cool. This promotion runs from yesterday, the 12th, now to December 1st, and 20% off. That's what they're going to be selling at. The prices I gave you were MSRP, by the way. So should be able to take 20% off of that. And don't forget, they're running a new promotion on the Duron starting on the 20th of November and running till December 2nd. And that one is 40% off. So very, very cool. Huge shout out to Oknife for sending these out and, giving me the opportunity to get the news about the new drops and launches of these two. And thank you guys for stopping by and checking it out with me, of course. Always appreciate you. Thank you so much. As always, have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. I love talking to you. Until next time, I'll talk to you later, guys. Bye-bye.